neighborhood freak. Hey, freaky love is all you get from me. I'm your friendly neighborhood freak, and freaky love is all you get from me. If you haven't tried my special kiss, girl, you don't know what you've been missing. And if I like just what I taste, I'll kiss you, baby, in the same place. And don't you knock it if you haven't tried it. So many do it and they try to hide it. Hey, I'm your friendly neighborhood freak. Hey, freaky love is all you get from me. I'm your friendly neighborhood freak, baby. Hey, freaky love is all you get from me. Some say it's right, some say it's wrong. 10 million Frenchmen, they couldn't be wrong. I know your feet is for more than walking, just like your tongue is for more than talking. Hey, I'm your friendly neighborhood freak. Hey, freaky love is all you get from me. I'm your friendly neighborhood freak, baby. Hey, freaky love is all you get from me. Your mama do it, your daddy do it, your brother do it, your little sister do it, your man do it, your woman do it, your best friend do it. Why don't you do it? Yeah, freak me, baby, hey, freak me, baby, yeah. Freak me, baby, baby, freak me, baby, yeah, yeah, I'm your friendly neighborhood freak. Hey, freaky love is all you get from me. I'm your friendly neighborhood freak, baby. Hey, freaky love is all you get from me. No one knows where the nose goes, especially when the doors are closed. Freak me, baby, freak me, baby, freak me, baby, freak me, baby. Now listen, baby, you listen to Dr. Arnold now. Listen now. Here's lesson 1, it's a lot of fun. Here's lesson 2, here's what you do. Here's lesson 3, won't you try it on me? Here's lesson 4, don't you want some more? Freak me, baby, baby, freak me, 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 baby. Here's lesson 5, won't you come up high? Here's lesson 6, got to be real quick. Here's lesson 7, gonna put you in heaven. Here's lesson 8, said don't be late. Freak me, baby, 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 freak me, baby. Here's lesson 9, don't fall behind. Here's lesson 10, start over again. Here is 11, now you're back in heaven. Here's lesson 12, we're gonna ring your bell. Freak me, baby, freak me, baby, freak me, baby, freak me, baby, freak for you, baby. And listen, baby, I'm gonna love you so good, I'm gonna put you in a coma. And when I put you in a coma, that's when you gonna get your diploma. Now, it's time for your postgraduate course. Now, young lady, wait a minute, young lady. You ain't supposed to be doing, don't do that. I'm supposed to be the teacher. Oh, you gonna give me a lesson? Lesson 1, ooh, this show is fun. Hey, lesson 2, show me what to do. Hey, lesson 3, Lord, you're killing me. Hey, lesson 4, ooh, won't you give me some you teach me, babe.